Good morning. It is a cold and windy one today, and we are back with another duck hunt. It is like -5 degrees. Been a cold front for about a week now, so I'm hoping for a fresh push of birds, but there's been a bit of a lull. Not seeing many big ducks, only divers out on the lake. So I'm going down to the shore of Lake Ontario today, and we're gonna see if we can shoot some ducks. The wind is going at least like 30-40 kilometers an hour, so I don't know how it's gonna work out. Gonna have to tie my decoys down. Shooting 3-inch number 3s, running a dozen mallards. Let's get to hunting. Let me tell you guys, I have never seen waves like this down here, but I got the decoys hooked up to a weighted long line, so they'll stay out there at least. But man, I'll be surprised if I see any ducks today, let alone shoot them, just because how rough it is out here. Hopefully the wind doesn't fuck with the camera footage too much. Pardon my French. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. So we got like 10 minutes to shooting light. Let's see what happens. Oh no, it's the hen. My bad, I thought that was the drake. I gotta say, so far this hunt has exceeded my expectations. There's lots of ducks flying. We definitely got a fresh push of birds. Hopefully the wind's not messing with the microphone too much. But yeah, there's been a bunch of mallards flying today. And I've managed to shoot 2 mallards and a merganser, so it's going pretty good so far. Got some pretty big waves, but that doesn't affect anything. That cold front really helped us out. We got some of those northern mallards coming down, and I couldn't be more excited for the weeks to come. So let's see what the rest of this hunt holds. We got half a limit. Let's go. This water is treacherous. Is a wrap for today. The hunt went way better than I expected it to. Shot 2 mallards and a merganser. Had some misses, but that's duck hunting, and it was cold, windy, I guess all the perfect conditions, so I should have expected a little more, but can't be disappointed if you don't expect a lot. So I am really happy with the way this turned out. Gonna come back out tomorrow, see if I can film another hunt. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and tune back in for another one.